Congratulations on receiving your aprompt website. Here we're going to take you through the admin area as a quick overview. There are lots and lots of functions in your website and each of them are editable, so you can have complete control of your website content. When you've logged into your admin area, you'll be able to see the main menu on the left hand side. If you click home, it takes you back to the front end. You will still be logged into your admin area, and if you'd like to go back to your website admin area, you click on the cog in the corner of your website page. To edit any of the pages or add a page, you click Pages and then All Website Pages. This is a default setting, so when you log into your admin area, you will come to this page. If you'd like to add a new page, you click New Page. If you'd like to add a new link only, you add New Link. You click New Link. If you want to go into your file manager full of your images, you click File Manager. To edit areas of your website that are on every page, you click Global Settings. We'll go into this right now. So the global settings are things like the printable areas, inquiry form recipient, printable address, Google Analytics heading code, tracking code, or cookie notice. If you use Google Analytics, you would have to put this in here. You can put all your social networking site links in here, and you have your widget settings. Now, depending on the website you may have a gallery, you may have a product or events catalogue, a blog, reviews carousel, and team page, and many other functions. But these are the main ones. So the widget settings are the introduction to those snippets that you can switch on and off on any page of your website. The latest news bar, the team bar, and this is the snippet that will show on the website, and the reviews carousel, a prices widget if you have that, a counter bar, the inquiry form title, and your Twitter card summary details. Your schema markup code here, and your footer settings. Now, each website can be slightly different depending on the design that you have from aprompt, so the footer may look different depending on how many columns you have. So if we just come out of that for a minute, so that was global settings. Inline editor takes you to the front end of the website where you can edit a page from the front end. So if you wanted to edit the content, you have the WYSIWYG editor here. If you want to come out of the inline editor, you cross to turn off the inline editor, and then you go back to normal. To go back into the admin area, you click the cog. So carrying down the menu, you have widgets, and this is where you can create, edit and delete quick links, call to actions, your counters, your price options, and you can add as many of each of these as you like, and you can choose to have any of these or more on any page if you choose. The SEO report shows you what you're doing right and wrong. It doesn't tell you if your content is correct for your business, but it does tell you if you have anything too short, too long, or duplicated. If you want to edit a page which has a warning, you just click Edit Page and it'll tell you what you need to do. The catalogue, if you have a catalogue in your website, is editable here. You can add as many products or events depending on which one you have. So this is the submenu for the catalogue, and the same for the blog. So you can choose to see all articles, add a new one, view all categories, or add a new category. The gallery, you can view all images, view all categories, add a new image, and add a new category. For the team database, you can view all team members or add a new team member. For reviews, you can view all reviews or add a new review. For admin users, you can view all users or add a new user. You can also contact us through the support section. Just pop your email address in and send your query there, or you can log out. And main website takes you back to the front end of the website. So main website and home takes you to the same place. To edit a page again or add a page, you click pages. To add or edit widgets, you click widgets. To add or edit something in your catalogue, you click catalogue. To add or edit something in your blog, you click blog. And again for gallery, team, reviews, and admin users. If you have any questions though, use the support request form here, or do contact aprompt and we'll be happy to help you.